Today, we're diving deep into the Fujifilm X-Pro 4, a camera that blends classic rangefinder aesthetics with modern innovation. Is it the ultimate hybrid camera for street photographers, professionals, and content creators? Let's explore the latest leaks, rumored features, and how the X-Pro 4 could change the game. Fujifilm X-Pro 4. The evolution of a classic. The Fujifilm X-Pro series has long been a favorite among documentary photographers and street shooters. With the X-Pro 4, Fujifilm aims to refine the experience with next-gen autofocus, upgraded imaging technology, and improved usability. But does it stay true to its retro charm while integrating cutting-edge performance? Let's break down the top rumored features that make the Fujifilm X-Pro 4 one of the most exciting camera releases in recent years. Revolutionary autofocus and subject tracking. Fujifilm has reportedly made massive improvements to the autofocus system of the X-Pro 4. With AI-powered subject tracking, the camera can now recognize and track faces, eyes, animals, vehicles, and fast-moving objects with incredible precision. Low-light autofocus enhancements allow for improved focus accuracy even in dim environments, making it perfect for night photography and indoor shooting. The real-time tracking system ensures sharp focus on fast-moving subjects, making it ideal for street, wildlife, and sports photography. Hybrid autofocus system balances contrast detection and phase detection, making focusing faster, smoother, and more reliable in different scenarios. With these upgrades, the X-Pro 4 could be one of the best Fujifilm cameras for action photography, competing directly with Sony and Canon's high-end mirrorless models. Retro-inspired build with modern ergonomics. The Fujifilm X-Pro 4 retains the classic rangefinder-inspired design, but introduces several modern refinements for better handling and durability. Premium all-metal body for improved durability while maintaining a lightweight feel. Enhanced weather sealing ensures the camera is dust-proof and splash-resistant, making it perfect for travel and outdoor photography. Improved hybrid viewfinder now offers higher resolution, better refresh rates, and a wider field of view. Tilt-screen LCD for flexible composition, allowing photographers to capture creative angles with ease. Refined dials and controls for a more intuitive shooting experience, keeping the analog charm while improving usability. These refinements ensure that the X-Pro 4 maintains its vintage appeal while offering better comfort and usability for long shooting sessions. Connectivity and battery life upgrades. The X-Pro 4 isn't just about stunning imagery. It also focuses on seamless connectivity and extended power efficiency. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 enable instant image transfers and remote shooting via the Fujifilm smartphone app. USB-C port for fast charging and high-speed data transfer. Extended battery life, providing all-day shooting capability, even for professional use. Power-saving modes optimize battery usage, ensuring more shots per charge. In-body USB charging removes the need for bulky external chargers. These improvements make the X-Pro 4 a perfect choice for travel photographers who need reliable performance without frequent battery swaps. New X Processor 5. Speed and image quality enhancements. The Fujifilm X-Pro 4 is expected to feature the powerful X Processor 5, bringing major image processing improvements. Better noise reduction for sharper images in low-light conditions. Faster autofocus performance, even in challenging lighting. 8K video recording support, making it one of Fujifilm's most powerful hybrid cameras. Advanced AI-driven subject recognition, allowing precise tracking of people, animals, and vehicles. More accurate color rendering and enhanced film simulation modes, maintaining Fujifilm's signature aesthetic. With these advancements, the X-Pro 4 positions itself as a top-tier camera for both still photography and videography. Cinematic video capabilities. A hybrid shooter's dream. Fujifilm has been steadily improving its video features, and the X-Pro 4 continues that trend. 4K/60p video recording for ultra-smooth and high-quality footage. F-Log 2 support for enhanced dynamic range, giving more flexibility in post-production color grading. High bitrate recording options for professional filmmaking. Improved rolling shutter reduction, making handheld video smoother and more cinematic. Dedicated video mode dial for quick switching between stills and video. These upgrades make the X-Pro 4 one of Fujifilm's best cameras for content creators, bridging the gap between photography and video production. Final thoughts. Is the Fujifilm X-Pro 4 worth the hype? With these features, The X-Pro 4 is shaping up to be one of the best Fujifilm cameras ever released. Whether you're a professional photographer, street shooter, or hybrid content creator, this camera offers versatility, performance, and that signature Fujifilm magic.